Would you believe that this is what my chiropractor was saying my spine looks like since working from home? Hello everyone, thanks for joining us again for another CTAC Studios video. My name is Jake Pack and I'm gonna take you through a product line that if you're going on 2 cups of coffee before lunchtime like myself, it's just gonna wanna make you get up and dance. Okay, maybe not. But this product called Plexineon is a cool and groovy patented bendable luminaire that provides design professionals such as yourself with unmatched flexibility to create custom designs. This is honestly the type of product that makes designing lines of light so much fun because it can have nearly endless possibilities. Now, one thing I want to point out is that this is a bendable but rigid product. So no, this isn't a wet pasta noodle. This is really meant to hold its form. Some of the benefits to having pre-configurations is simply the time for installation and field can be cut down dramatically. And it's the best way to ensure that your design is going to go off without a hitch. To have endless possibilities, we have to have endless ways of mounting this product, right? Okay, so I'm gonna use some studio magic and take you on a little journey with me. Did you make it here okay? Are you good? Great. With Plexineon, we actually can suspend this product from the ceiling. We can do a surface mount using minimal clips, or we can do a recess mounting channel with the only limitation that it has to be straight runs. Now, remember how I talked about endless possibilities? Well, let's say that we're designing an outdoor and indoor project and we need to use this product for both spaces. No worries, we got you covered. This is offered for interior and exterior applications. Come with me. Heck, let's say you have a catenary system to mount to. That's actually one of my favorite applications for Plexineon. How often do you find products that are able to do rings both vertically and horizontally along a catenary cable? It's just simply not that common. But with Plexineon, it's possible all day, every day. And if you really want to take it to the next level, submerge this product in a reflecting pool. Why? Because you can with the impressive IP68 rating. Now I know your next question. How far can I bend this product? Plexineon is designed to bend in as tight as 16 degrees or a minimum 5-inch radius. That's way more flexible than any yoga pose I can do. I was never really that good. If you're doing rings, we can do outside illumination, inside illumination, straight down. We can do radiuses even as large as 20 feet. Wow. All right, now
let's get technical.
I've really had too much caffeine. So let's talk about the specs. 2 to 4 watts per foot, which is about 50 to 90 delivered lumens per foot. Color temperature range for exterior is going to be 2800 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin. And for interior range, you're looking at 2700 to 4000. Now, of course, if you love color like me, you're probably wondering what are the possibilities for color in this product? Well, I can assure you that we have 9 static colors available in this series. Yes, you heard that right, 9. Along with radiant colors, we can dim this product using 0 to 10 volt or DMX dimming protocol. Oh, and I almost forgot to mention, for the channels, we can offer this in black, white, or gray. So what are you waiting on? Reach out to your CTAC rep and find out more on how you can make your client absolutely excited about their project using Plexineon. We can't wait to collaborate with you soon. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time. Bye, everyone.
Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos.